Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn the factorization trick. If I'm going to factorize these equations, these are quadratic equations that it will take a little time. But today in this video, I'll show you a different trick so that it will be very easy and I hope you will enjoy it. So let's have a look how we'll solve it in a different way to find out the factorization. So here we have to make two columns. One, and then here I have to draw one more column. Now next what we have to do, so we have to make 2x square. So for you have to multiply 2x with x, it will give you 2x square. Then here if we take minus 5 and 1, these are the factors of 5. If we multiply, then we will get minus 5, right? Now you have to do cross multiplication. 2x with 1, it will give you definitely 2x. Now here, this will multiply. If we multiply x with minus 5, you will get minus 5x, isn't it? Now minus 5x plus 3x, that will give you minus 3x. Now the factorizations will be like that. This one you have to take 2x, here minus 5, and here x, here plus 1. This is the factorizations of these quadratic equations, that is 2x squared minus 3x minus 5. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.